everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to redeem Domino's gift cards. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's proceed further. Start by clicking open a web browser. In the search box, type in Redeem Domino's gift card and press the enter. Now click on this link right here where it says Gift Card Domino's Pizza. On the next page, you'll be able to redeem your gift card. Simply click on the gift card option right here at the top of the screen and you'll be able to redeem your gift card by entering your card number in the first text field. On the next field, enter your card PIN number. Now type in your mobile number on the next. Click on I'm not a robot and verify that you're not a robot but a human being and click next. Finally, click on Get OTP and you'll be able to get a code number on your mobile device via an SMS. On the next page, you'll need to enter your gift card number and you'll be able to redeem your gift card for Domino's. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.